I'm working on Photoshop CS8. To create a new file, open File then New. Here many predefined size of papers are already given, like A4, letter size and so on. I am selecting default paper size. The size we can also change into any unit like inches, pixels, cm. Select the unit and click on OK. Maximize the page. This is the Properties panel. There are many tools in Photoshop. We will discuss each tool one by one. First, the Mark II. The use of this tool is to select a particular portion of your Photoshop paper. This tool we can use to crop a particular portion of your work. The size can be selected according to the condition required. Or, you can select a particular portion to color only this selected part. This is the New Layer button. We will discuss the layer later. And we will deselect the dotted portion by pressing Ctrl+D. Now, we will select a portion. We will take a new layer, Layer 1. And using the Paint Bucket tool we will fill the dotted selected portion. Deselect using Ctrl+D. Again, we will take another layer, Layer 2. Select a portion using the Marquee tool. And color that portion. We are selecting red as the color. Deselect using Ctrl+D. Background is a default layer. Select background layer, drop a color. Marquee tool can also select a portion to delete. Try to do each work by taking separate layers. We will select a portion in the background layer to color a particular portion. Now go to Marquee tool option, right-click on it. It will show some predefined shapes. First, elliptical. Select Layer 2. Press Delete. It will delete the selected portion of Layer 2. Same for the other two shapes. Practice it as much as possible and try to do every step by taking a new layer so that you can delete or edit the particular layer. Next tool is Move tool.